What if I told you a company passed an audit without printing a single paper? No files, no binders, no last-minute scrambling. Today, we're testing if paperless compliance is actually possible or just another corporate myth. And at the end, we'll show a real audit trail that fits inside one dashboard. Every audit starts the same way. Someone says, "Guys, auditors are coming." And suddenly, files disappear. Excel sheets break. People start searching emails from 2021. Compliance isn't hard because of rules. It's hard because of proof. Anyone can say they are compliant, but can you prove it? Let's imagine two companies. Company A, traditional, everything on paper, folders everywhere, evidence locked inside, cabinets, binders, loose files. When auditors arrive, it becomes a treasure hunt. Now, Company B, they claim everything is digital, everything is traceable, everything is audit ready. Can you actually prove compliance without touching paper? Here's the truth nobody talks about. Audits don't fail because of violations. They fail because of missing timestamps, no ownership clarity, no closure evidence, manual tracking errors, and the biggest problem, no audit trail. If you can't answer who did what, when they did it, and what proof exists, you're already in trouble. So, we decided to test this. Can compliance be so transparent that an auditor can verify everything without asking a single follow-up? No chasing documents, no printing reports, no "we'll get back to you." Just one system, one trail, one truth. Alright, enough talking. We've discussed the chaos, the paper trails, the missing proof. Now let's test it. Let's see if paperless compliance is actually real. Not theory, not slides, not marketing claims. What you're about to see is a real audit trail, captured inside a live system. From action creation to assignment to updates to closure to verification, step by step. No edits, no shortcuts, no behind-the-scenes adjustments, just raw compliance data. Exactly how an auditor would see it. Let's begin. This is OQSHA, a live compliance environment, not a mock-up, not a presentation file. Let's start with one action. Here it is, created directly inside the system, with a defined owner, a clear due date, and an assigned risk category. Nothing vague, nothing assumed. Everything structured. From the moment this action is created, the system begins recording. Every update is logged in real time. Let's walk through it. When the owner opens the action, recorded. When a comment is added, recorded. When the status changes, recorded. No one has to remember to document anything because the system does it by default. Need evidence? One click. Here are the attachments. Photos, documents, closure notes. Each file is time-stamped, each upload linked to a user, each update preserved in context. No email digging, no folder searching. Now here's where it gets powerful. Audit trail. This is the full activity history. Every action displayed chronologically. From the first creation timestamp to final verification, no gaps. Immutable, meaning once logged, it cannot be altered without trace. Searchable, filter by user, filter by date, filter by activity type. An auditor doesn't need to ask questions. They simply scroll. They can verify who did what when they did it, what proof exists, and whether the issue was truly closed or just marked complete. This is what transparent compliance looks like. Structured, traceable, defensible, not because someone prepared for an audit, but because the system was built for it. So instead of asking, "Do you have proof?" auditors just scroll. No paper, no confusion, just clarity. This is paperless compliance, and this might be the future of audits.